Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the out-of-game memory error in GTA 5 and fix the game crash. If you are experiencing this error, don't worry, there are a few things you can try. First, try restarting your game and computer. This will close all programs and clear the system's memory. If that doesn't work, you can try updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can often cause games to crash, so it is important to keep them updated. You can download the latest drivers from the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. Another fix is to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and repair them. You can also try closing any background applications that you are not using. These applications can consume a lot of memory, which can lead to game crashes. If you are still experiencing the error, you can try increasing your virtual memory. Virtual memory is a feature that allows your computer to use hard drive space as if it were RAM. This can help to improve performance if you are running out of RAM. You can also try setting a custom page file. A page file is a file on your hard drive that is used by Windows to store virtual memory. In some cases, overclocking your CPU or GPU can also lead to game crashes. If you have overclocked your hardware, try resetting it to the default clock speeds. If none of these solutions work, you may need to reinstall GTA 5. This will delete all of the game files and install them again, which can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the error. If you are still experiencing the out-of-game memory error after trying all of these solutions, you can contact Rockstar support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.